Welcome back to Learn Everything YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to make channel art and set it in your YouTube channel. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's get Google Chrome. And search Spark Adobe. Okay, once you have searched, there you can see your web page in the top of the page. Click on that or click on sparkadobe.com here. I click sparkadobe.com. Okay, once you go, log in with your Google account or any or other accounts. Okay, once you are logged in, you can go inside. Okay, I'll log in here. Click on as and search. Okay, you can search YouTube channel art. Okay, you can go inside and we can search the templates. I'll choose my favorite template. Okay, I choose this. This will be nice. Navigate your template. Oh, this is pro. So I will choose your free template. Okay, let's choose this, the free template. Okay, edit this. Click on edit this template. Okay, you can write to go inside. Okay, once you have gone inside, you can see something. Okay, let's go and click. Okay, you can edit this template so I can create some new text, or you can even edit. So click on add the text. Okay, let's add our text. Okay, let's click. Click on your name. Okay, I added, and you can choose secondary something. I choose a thing, your name C, and we can add some name or sideways, leftwise, line spacing. Well, this letter spacing, opacity. Okay, let's add here your name also. Okay, let's add name. Once you click, you can choose left align, right align, or center align, and that means click the size as big. Your name also size big. Okay, let's spacing somewhat less. Let's add some shapes to it. Okay, this is the shapes, and this also shape. Oh, this will be pretty nice. Okay, somehow it looks pretty good. So click and download. I click PNG for PCs. Okay, I can choose. Okay, once it's downloaded, just get to youtube.com and get your channel and click on customize channel, and that's the option here. See, edit links, edit channel art. Click on edit channel art, and you can choose for that. Just drag and drop here. Okay, once it's been, it will display like this in desktop and different in PC and different in mobile. If you want, you can adjust it. Just your this. Okay, just we adjust. See, it's saved. This looks pretty good now. Okay, let's get YouTube and see our channel whether it's working or not. to our channel. See our channel, that is channel of this ready. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, comment, like and share to learn anything. Once again, living from learn anything. Thank you.